Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the ImInRed YouTube channel. And so today we're going to be bringing you the B&R Bad News Racing catless downpipe for the 2016 through 2018 Chevy Cruze. So I have already opened it because I couldn't wait. I just wanted to see what it looked like. But so we have here is the all of the, I don't know if you can see that, the hardware and gaskets for the installation. A nice little koozie and drawstring bag, which is nice. Let's see if there's anything in here. Nope. So it came in this wrapping here. It was all wrapped up nice and neat. I obviously cut it off, ripped it out. And here is the nice pipe, and the welds are unbelievably good. The O2 bong, and it should fit up real nice. And there's the other end. That's what connects to the turbo with a V band. And sitting out here, so yeah, it did come in this nice bubble wrap to keep it safe while shipping. And I did get a great price on Black Friday with this. For this piece, it was $100 off, so it was only $250 instead of $350. And so hopefully it'll make the car sound better and obviously perform better with the tune. And so let's hope that it will be an easy install. The next video you'll see coming out from my channel will be the install and talking about the installation and the sound of it, because it hopefully definitely will be louder, because I've heard videos on YouTube of this exact piece on my car. So if there's any video ideas you want me to do on my channel with my car, or just any topics of all, let me know in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share my channel, because big things are coming in 2019 and the end of this year. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.